arrived at the Manjanggul Lava Tube Cave, and before we go in, I'm just gonna grab some lunch in this restaurant right on the entrance. So let's head in. We're here at the ticketing counter to get our tickets to the Manjanggul Lava Tube. There we go. And that's the entrance. It's quite far away. I know it's quite rural, but alright, we're about to go to the entrance of the lava tube. And it's quite cold actually inside. It's much hotter than outside. It's quite dark as well. The stairs are quite steep as we're descending down, and it's really wet. It's gonna be more humid as we go down. So on the side, all of these lines are actually the past lava flow lines. So lava used to be flowing here as like the lava level, which went through the lava tube. We've reached the end of the lava tube. Yeah. It's just a lava column, that's it. So it's really humid in here. You can even see the moist in the air. It's quite a big cave. Yeah, that's it. That's the lava tube, and this is the end of the trail. About a kilometer.